Hey y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've already been here before. My name is Nikki, and in today's video we are going to get this laundry room together, honey. So we're going to start off with some cleaning, some much needed cleaning. I actually started this laundry room remodel about a year ago. So as you can see, I have already painted. I put wallpaper up on that back wall. The two shelves, I had taken those down. We stained them, and then we also put the shelf in here as well. Yes, she was very dirty. But as always, we will definitely get that in order. And now I am going to take these quarter rounds off so that we can get the floor replaced. And as you can see, these ones were very easy to do. This one right here, I don't know what they put on it, but it was a struggle for me to get this little teeny piece off. These ones come right off. And back to this one again. And with a little YouTube magic, we have new floors. And these are vinyl plank flooring that I do have down. So now I'm just going to go back. I did put the quarter round back, and we're just going to paint everything white. This paint that I'm using is Bare in the color New House White. And now we're just going to clean, get the floor nice and vacuumed before we start decorating. Doing some touch-up painting from when we actually put the shelf in, and it kind of scraped the wall a little bit. I actually tried using a magic eraser first, but that didn't do anything, so I just repainted. And now we get to decorate. Does anyone else do a happy dance when things turn out the way they wanted them to? I definitely do that all the time. Getting that floor clean one more time. We're mopping this time so that we can put our rug down. Get it, girl. This was a Dollar Tree DIY project that I did. These frames came from Dollar Tree. I just sprayed them with some spray paint that I already had at home. And then I printed out the words wash, dry, fold, and repeat at home on my computer and just put them in the frames. This is what the room looked like before we did anything to it and during the process of me starting to change it. And this is the after. I absolutely love it. It actually makes me want to wash and fold clothes. Look at that wallpaper. It just gives me life. I absolutely love it. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I greatly appreciate you guys as always. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.